Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to verify your Western Union account. Step 1. Log into your Western Union account using your email and password. After that, go to the profile and look for the verify option. Now click verify now. Upload a clear photo of your government ID issued like a passport or driver's license. Follow the instructions to ensure it's accepted. Fill in any additional details like your address or phone number if prompted. Once you have submitted your information, your account will be reviewed. This usually takes a few minutes to a few hours. And that's it. Once your account is verified, you are ready to send and receive money securely. For help, contact Western Union support. Thanks for watching.